Hi guys, I just wanted to see what's inside with this mouse since it is wireless mouse and it just looked like the Apple Magic Mouse. I'm just curious to know what's inside with this. This is the mouse which I got from the seller itself when I bought this my laptop. Let's see what's inside with this. First of all, I'm not using this mouse, I'm using my Logitech B175 mouse which I purchased from online. It is one of the best mouse I have been using. So after I purchased that mouse, so I'm not using this mouse. Since I'm not using it, so I thought of opening it. First, let me check the power on off. Now, is it going to work or not? For that, of course, it does work, but that shell is not nice. I mean, shell is little bit old. So I'm going to see what's inside with this, and I will be showing you what is inside with this thing. Okay, you can see the shell is old itself. Let me remove the shell. Okay, it's an easy process to remove the shell. Let me keep it aside. The receiver part. Okay, the tool, I thought I could use these tools, but at the later point I got to know that the tool is not necessarily important. This is a 32-in-1 tool. It would be helpful to open up our laptops or the mobile phones, I mean older mobile phones. I thought this is a sticker at the first time. At the beginning I thought this is a sticker, then after scratching it I got to know this is not a sticker, this is full plastic. This is not a sticker, this is only a plastic piece, a single unibody plastic piece. So it's time to keep it aside, my 32-in-1 tool kit, and I think it's better to open up with the fingernail itself. It is not difficult to open, no need to pry or anything, it is easy to open itself. Okay, after opening it, I just saw the clicking parts and the scrolling thing and reset button, and looking at the inside I will be seeing the sensor, the transmitter part, and the LED blinking light and the capacitor, and that's it. These are the things which are present in the inside here. The clicking part and the scrolling buttons, everything works perfectly fine. If my Logitech mouse got fail in clicking, I will be replacing with this mouse clicking itself because it works perfectly. The sensor part, glass, I don't think it is glass, it is fiber. Okay, let me clean up everything because once opening up the electronic products, I think it's better to clean. After cleaning up, just placing it properly. After hearing a click, I will come to know it is positioned in a proper place. Anyhow, I won't be using it, I just wanted to saw what's inside with this, that's it. As of now, I don't use this, I use my own other mouse, Logitech, it's the best mouse. This is just a Pearl mouse which is made up in China. I think that's it. Easy to close, easy to open, no screws, nothing is there in this model. I think this is the cheapest version. I think it is working still now, but I don't use it. Actually, my mouse, let me show you, this is the mouse which I use. This is Logitech B175. I think this model got discontinued. Instead of this, we got like B185 or 210 models are there, Logitech. This works perfectly fine. I'm just curious to know what's inside the shell. Probably in my next video I will show you what is inside with this type of shells. I really don't know, but this mouse works perfectly fine. I've been using this from past 2 years, so there is no problem at all for this mouse. If you guys intended to buy any type of mouse, I would definitely recommend Logitech. And I think that's it. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you again in the next video.